When we got invited to participate at the Balcanica Superior logo competition, we found it really exciting as we finally got the opportunity to design something in relation to the country we know really well. This got us really motivated and flowing with ideas about what Balcanica Superior logo should look like and what the logo should represent. Obviously, we were aware of the importance of local heritage and existing graphic elements that were common throughout the area. Old embroidery patterns, national clothing, elements from the local architecture, even food. By combining these ancient elements into a modern form, we followed strict graphic design principles. The logo was in this way crafted as a modern take on traditional pattern design. We took it another step further and designed the main graphic element to include the Balcanica Superior initials, which helped emphasize the brand. This is important as the logo has to be recognizable and communicate easily through a wide variety of applications. All these elements put together resulted in a winning combination for logo competition Felicia and Sedmak took part of. We were very satisfied with our design, but we're happy with the jury's decision even more so.